see, why do we even get you any toys? We've been playing with this bag for 10 minutes now. All these toys and you prefer a bag. I got it! I finally got that on video. I've been wanting to get that for months. You circled. I finally got that! All it took was a bag. Look at that paw go! What? What? Good girl, Sammy. Good girl, Sammy. You gonna circle some more? You want this? This is what you're trying to reach? Here's the dinosaur. Here you go. Hit the dinosaur with your leg. You gonna hit the dinosaur?